Hey guys, and welcome to a new PC build video. Today we are gonna do something different. The new GeForce RTX 30 series are announced. The 3070 needs to be better than the 2080 Ti for the price tag of only $500. The 2080 Ti costs around $1,200. That's a really big difference. So I thought to myself, what if we built a PC with a 3070 for $500 that has a price tag of $1,200? So let's get started. The first component is of course the 3070 from NVIDIA. It's a really good video card for only $500. It blows the rest out of the water. Then for the CPU I've chosen the Ryzen 5 3600 XT. It's clocked at 3.8 GHz and it can be overclocked to 4.6 GHz. There is a CPU cooler in the box, but if you have a little bit more budget, I should go with the Be Quiet Pure Rock 2 black CPU cooler. It gives you a little bit more headspace and room to overclock. For the motherboard, I have chosen the Gigabyte B550M DS3H Micro RTX motherboard. I've chosen the B550 chipset because it's a new chipset for a really low price point. It has 4 DIMM slots, 8 USB Type-A ports, a HDMI port and an Ethernet port that can support speeds up to 1 gigabit. Because it's a B550 motherboard, it supports NVMe Type 4.0. For the RAM, I have chosen the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 RAM. It's clocked at 3200 MHz and there are 2 sticks of 16 GB. The RAM prices are really low. Because it's a beast of a machine, you want good storage. So I've chosen for the Samsung 970 EVO 1 TB storage. This is more than enough for a few games, but if you want more games you can always add a hard drive. Because the 3070 draws 220 watts of power, we have chosen for a 700 watt power supply of EVGA, the BR 700 watt 80 plus bronze certified RTX power supply. It's a really good power supply with 80 plus bronze certification. And then the last part is the case. It needs to be a compact case because it's a micro RTX motherboard, but it needs to look cool with a tempered glass side panel. The Cooler Master MasterBox Lite 3.0 is a micro RTX mid-tower case. So it's small to sit on your desk, but it can be really nice to see your 3070s shining. This was the PC build for around $1,200. I hope you liked. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye!